So I just finished off a tour of the master suite. I thought I'd come right across the hall. There's the master suite. You can see all the construction and the mess. And this will be the den. We have taken down a wall that divided what was once two sizable bedrooms. Put up this header beam to open the two rooms up to each other. You can see it's definitely still a construction zone. Here's the chop saw and a bunch of lumber and etc. all over the floor. Oh, and look, there's a cast iron bathtub. That is the tub that we pulled out of the original bathroom across the hall. It weighs about a gazillion pounds, and that was as far as we got it. We're gonna need to hire some movers to take it out of the house, which will be quite a challenge. They may even need to bring some diamond tipped blades in and chop it into pieces. But it's a beautiful tub. It just doesn't fit in any of our plans. It's a cast iron, and then it's wall mount, and the front of it, which you can see along the floor, you can see the back side of it is a fairly decorative, kind of an Art Deco look. And it's actually in great shape. It's horribly dirty, but the enamel is really in great shape. It needs some cleaning and then maybe a little bit of touch-up with the little nail polish touch-up enamel, but it's in great shape. It'll be a shame to see it cut up, but gotta get it out of here. There's another beautiful radiator. So the two rooms that originally made up the den each have a closet, and I bought a bunch of wire IKEA shelving units to put in there. Here you can see the beautiful library cabinet that I mentioned on the blog a little bit earlier. I still love it. It will go kind of in the middle of this room, dividing what I hope to be the kind of living room area on this side with a TV and some neat couches, which I'm still trying to figure out what I want. And then on this side will be more of an office, several desks, big work areas, as well as a sewing area, and those sorts of things. My husband is big into small electronics, and so he needs a laboratory of sorts, and then I need a sewing room and a computer setup with two monitors, and all of that will go on this side. We're thinking about to kind of tie the theme of the two rooms together, which I'm calling like Naturalist Library. Put a shelf all the way around the top of the office side of the den and display kind of neat naturalist and science-y artifacts that we find. A moose antler, neat old globes, neat things that we found in the house, neat old light fixtures and stuff that don't work anymore, all in this room. And then in the den side, we're thinking about doing a big built-in from, to the right of this window, all the way around, with a window seat on this window, all the way to the dividing line here, with the TV possibly built in the unit that will fold out to show either to the living room side or to the office side, as we like to watch TV while we work. But we're still in the process of kind of figuring that out. We're thinking Kelly green for this room. These are all the drawers that go with the library cabinet. You can see there's another closet here, which is great for all the craft supplies and electronics and games and all sorts of stuff that you need in a big family room. This house is not short on storage. We will get rid of these doors at some point, but it is kind of my thought that we will be able to continue to work in some rooms and keep others a little more neat, so I've left the doors up here. But those will probably go down to the basement unless it gets cold and we need to start cordoning off rooms for heating purposes. But you can see we're very much still a big mess, but this room is going to be amazing when it's finished. I'm so excited to get around to decorating it and getting it all prettified. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the den, and I will continue to do a few little video tours of the house because I know it's really hard to get a feel for the floor plan from just pictures.